Strawberries are low in calories, approximately 50 calories per cup, making them suitable for managing sweet cravings without promoting belly fat. The fiber content in strawberries aids digestion, prevents bloating, promotes fullness, and reduces overeating. Antioxidants like anthocyanins in strawberries help reduce inflammation, which is linked to belly fat storage. Incorporating sliced strawberries into oatmeal, Greek yogurt, or smoothies provides a filling, low-calorie breakfast option. Replacing processed snacks with fresh strawberries helps reduce hidden calorie intake. Strawberry-infused water, combining strawberries, lemon, and mint, can reduce bloating and boost hydration. Pairing strawberries with protein sources like yogurt, nuts, or cottage cheese enhances belly-flattening effects by promoting longer-lasting satiety. Avoid adding sugar, syrups, or whipped cream to strawberries, as these additions can negate their belly-flattening benefits. Consistent consumption of strawberries, combined with a balanced diet and regular exercise, yields visible results in reducing belly fat and improving overall health.